Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Good morning, everybody. Wakey in America, guys. Hopefully you're having had a great day. Good evening, and wake up, guys. Time to get some coffee down. Chuggle like coffee, guys. And I just want to say, thanks for being here. God bless all of you. And this is the Ric Flair of crypto in the house. Woo! The OG coming live at you guys. And I've got an interesting video. 99% of you are going to lose money in crypto. That's just plain. I'm going to talk about why most of you will lose money in crypto. We're going to talk about that. Also, I'm going to talk about 3 coins that I think are going to absolutely keep pumping in 2022. You're going to be surprised who these coins are and what they do. And also we're going to talk about Dogecoin, because Dogecoin looks like it's starting to pump up, guys. Dogecoin is pumping up right now and is looking pretty good overall. We're also going to talk about Bitcoin, because I know that a lot of you out there, you've been panicking. You've seen that Bitcoin has gone down to 55,000. And a lot of you have been messaging, going nuts. I know a lot of you, the weak Nancy's have been wet in the bed, running for the hills, guys. Guys, stop it. Stop it. This is just a shakeout. And, one of the reasons we've had this shakeout is because Mt. Gox, that was this whole 141,000 Bitcoins that got lost. And there was this whole hoo-ha. And now there's a reimbursement of that. And finally, after years and years of this huge Mt. Gox meltdown, which, shocked the whole, crypto community, looks like now that the people who lost money are slowly getting some of their Bitcoin back. So that's one of the reasons that the shadow, the specter of Mt. Gox has, put a bit of a kibosh on the markets, guys. And we're also seeing that it's really important that, on the daily, that Bitcoin gets above the 50-day moving average. Now, Bitcoin is below the 50-day moving average, and we really need to see Bitcoin to giddy up. So we're going to talk about that. Also, a lot of people have been asking the question, so, what happens, when Bitcoin hits the top? Why is it that altcoins will go up? Well, typically, when Bitcoin goes to the top of this cycle, what will happen is you'll start to see that the Bitcoin price will start to go down, but the most important thing is the Bitcoin dominance will go down, guys. And when the Bitcoin dominance goes down, what happens? That means that people are moving their money from Bitcoin into the altcoins. And that's when the altcoins start to pump. So that's why the altcoins will start to pump very shortly. And guys, I just want to tell you, why is it that most people lose money in cryptocurrency? Why is it that most of you out there have probably lost money in cryptocurrency? And the very simple reason is that 99% of you will lose money in cryptocurrency because of this one key problem, is that you have too short of a time frame. So people are looking to make money in crypto on the daily, on the weekly, in a month, and that's not how it happens. If you take that perspective, sure, there's going to be outliers out there where you will make money, on a project that goes up in 24 hours. But generally speaking, if you have a very short time frame of less than a month, you will lose money. The longer the time frame that you have, and the willingness for you to have the fortitude, the guts, and the gumshoe to hold long time, this is going to be able to have you have life-changing wealth. But a lot of people out there, they don't understand that. They want the rewards now. They want now. And this is also part of the Kinder Egg generation mentality, is that they want the self-gratification, they want it now. Remember, cryptocurrency is about investing. The other key aspect of a cryptocurrency is you need to have diversification. Now, I know a lot of you have put most of your coins in, most of your money in this coin or that coin, but that's not how it works. You want to have diversification, and you want to have a good diversification plan, and the best way to do that is have the 50-25-25 rule. You want to have, up to 50% of your investment in Bitcoin, another 25% in the top 10 projects, and the balance of 25 in the top 50 projects. And that's how it goes, guys. So, for example, the way I balance my portfolio is I have around about 30% of my portfolio is in Bitcoin, another 30% is in Ethereum, and the balance of the 40% is in the top 20 projects, guys. And that's how I do it. And the key is I don't panic sell. I weather the storm. There's going to be dips. There's going to be peaks and valleys. And the other thing is need to know when to take profits. And I typically take profit, when something has gone up 200%, I'm going to take the original amount of money that I invested and take that out of there. That's key, guys. That's key. And then I let the balance ride. Why? Because the balance that's left in, it's house money. It's house money. So what I will do is that house money, because remember, I've already took my investment out. So whatever is left is basically play money. So when that goes up another 200%, so I hit 400%, I'm going to take out around about 80% of that. And then I will leave about 20% left, and that's just, I leave it there forever in case this thing goes nuts. And that's what I do. So the other thing is, when do I time the cycles? So the key is you need to time the cycles. So when Bitcoin gets to its all-time highs, and then we see that the bear is coming, what I will do is I will take out around about 80% of my Bitcoin, turn it to stable coin, leave 20% in case I'm wrong and things can continue going up. I will also do that with Ethereum and a lot of other altcoins as well. There's some key projects that I'm going to be keeping long-term, like Solana, Luna, my gaming tokens. These I'm not going to take. I'm going to let them ride. Okay, because remember, Solana, I already took my profits out already. So even if Solana goes to zero, I don't care because I already took my profits out, already took my initial investment out. So all the money that I have in Solana right now is completely, it's mad money. So that's why you guys need to understand how this business works. And the key aspect of why people keep losing money in this business is because they have too short of a time frame. So it's really important that you need to be disciplined and you need to understand that there will be peaks, there will be valleys, but at the end of the day, you need to zoom out and you need to look at the trend. All right. So, for example, if we look at Bitcoin right now, and we look at that on the weekly time frame, you can see here. You can see overall Bitcoin's trend is up. Sure, we've had some downs, we've had some ups, and right now we're having a bit of a correction, but we have seen this before. We saw this before here. We saw this here, back on this time frame, back in May, when Bitcoin had this drop and it went all the way down from this perspective, and it went down almost as much as, went all the way from here. Get my chart working. Here we go. It went from this point here all the way down to here, and that was about 52%. And then from the 52% from here, we can see that we rebounded from here and we went up 135% to here, guys. So what we're seeing now is we're seeing something similar, but on a shorter time frame, and it's not dipping as much. So now we're down 14%, guys. Now if we measure from the high, let's measure from the high right now to here, we're only down around 17%. So I don't know what you guys are panicking about out there. Keep calm. We have seen this before. This is nothing new. So keep calm in the house, guys. And I just want to say, you guys have to keep calm. You need to sometimes zoom out. Wendy Trending is your friend, and you need to have longer time frames when it comes to investing, guys. That's really key. So guys and gals, do not forget to go back and watch all of my other videos. Go down there, smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let's jump into the content right now, guys. So hopefully this makes you guys understand that 99% of you will lose money and are losing money is because you guys do not understand that you need to have a longer time frame and you need to follow the basic strategy, and also do not panic sell, because a lot of you panic sell when things are going down. This is not the end of the bull run, and we can show you some evidence here. Although the recent correction may have flushed out some weak hands, and this is exactly what's going on. The weak hands are being flushed out. Be it artificial manipulation by whales, or it's just market dynamics, it's bad news, it's regulation, it's this and that. Whatever the case is, we are seeing that Bitcoin is still strong. So the formation of a parallel channel on the daily chart suggests BTC can still drop to $57,000 to $54,000. And right now we can see that Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart right now is exactly at $57,240. So we're right where we want to be inside this channel, right? So it can still drop to $57,000 to $54,000 and then rebound towards $75,000. And that's what's going to happen, guys. It's just a matter of time. Also, another key metric here is that that the TD sequential is on a green 9 candlestick on the daily chart, which can be considered a buy signal. Still, BTC needs to close decisively above the 50-day moving average at 60,000 to reach march towards 75,000. So if you look at Bitcoin on the daily right now, and you can see this is a 50-day moving average. So for us to get past that 50-day moving average right now, we need to be above 60,000. And once we hit above 60,000 and we hit above the 50-day moving average, 75,000 is absolutely in the cards. It's pre-programmed, guys. This bull run is absolutely not over, so stop panicking, stop going nuts. So some of the other news that's coming out, I want to talk to you about three altcoins that you need to keep an eye on in 2022. Now, these are also part of the OG portfolio in the house, and we can take a look at that right now. You can see that the OG portfolio house, this is not financial advice, this is only for educational entertainment purposes. You can see that most of those coins that we're talking about here, and we're talking about Solana, we're talking about Waves, and we're talking about Luna. So most of these coins we already have in our portfolio, and our portfolio is still looking pretty good. Remember, this is not financial advice. Our portfolio is still up 100% since July 2nd. So guys, stop panicking. Stop, wetting the bed and blowing your load early. Do not panic sell. Yes, the fear and greed index right now is not looking too good. We have extreme fear in the house. Not extreme, but we're fearful, guys. And this is a lot of people retail sellers are being washed out. The paper hands are being washed out. This is an absolutely good time to be buying the dip, guys. So you can see here that our portfolio is up 100%. We're $5,000 in profit, and our total value is over $10,000. So you can see that we've been talking about Solana, we've been talking about Luno, and we've been talking about Waves. So you guys definitely want to take a look at Solana. You definitely want to be taking a look at Waves in the house. And you can see that, Solana is basically, it's like Ethereum. It's a smart contract. It's got NFT plays. It's got DeFi. It's got all these things working for it. Waves as well. Waves is a platform that they can use to build DApps, smart contracts, and new tokens that utilize the proof of stake consensus Waves. So, it's pretty much also like an Ethereum. It's a and also Terra is one of the third project on the list, respectively recognized by the name of Luna. It's a base layer protocol that uses stablecoins pegged to a particular fiat rates, most notably Terra USD. Luna acts as a reversed asset and helps to maintain the price. So basically, this is part of the algorithmic stablecoin nature of Terra USD. So guys, these are three projects that you guys definitely want to be looking at. Put them on your radar. This is not financial advice. Smash the likes and don't forget to subscribe. BYB. So also we're seeing here that one of the reasons that we're seeing that Bitcoin is down right now is because this whole Bitcoin whales plan to buy BTC higher as fresh Mt. Gox pays out add to the market fear. So you can see that we had this whole Mt. Gox makes waves with payouts yet to come. So the payouts have not come yet. So data from Coin Market Pro and TradingView show that BTC again reversed progress and had produced a local high above 59,000 on Monday. But then after that, we had dropped down. We went down to 55,000. But we're coming back up again, as I told you right here on Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart right now. We can see that Bitcoin right now is going back up again, and right now Bitcoin is at 57,000. So things are looking pretty positive from where we were earlier today. So an announcement, the trustee of the Mt. Gox confirmed that they have plans now to become the final unbinding, with the implication that 141,000 BTC under custody will soon be distributed. So as you guys know, Mt. Gox had a huge amount of Bitcoin. It totally collapsed, and then all of the remaining Bitcoin went into receivership and then into custody, and now finally that some people are going to get their money back, and we got 141,000 BTC that are under custody that will still be distributed. So this is really cool news, guys. But a lot of on-chain analysts are saying, look, business as usual for monthly moves. Zooming out, meanwhile, the popular trader analysts, Reddit Capital, know that on a monthly time frame, Bitcoin was behaving entirely reasonable. So on a monthly time frame, you can see that Bitcoin is being totally reasonable. And let's zoom out, guys. Let's take a look at the monthly time frame. And let's go on the monthly time frame. And you can see here, look at the monthly time frame for Bitcoin. Everything's looking pretty good. We went up very parabolic. We had this correction in May. And things right now on a monthly time frame are looking okay. So guys, stop panicking in the house. Stop wetting the bed. Stop running for the hills. Also, some positive news. Commonwealth Bank of Australia recognizes risk in missing out on crypto. So basically what they're saying is that, we see risk in participating. We do see risk in participating in crypto, but we see bigger risk in not participating. So you're going to see a lot of Main Street banks. Citibank also just hired 100 people earlier. And, banks are now starting to capitulate, and they understand that they need to offer crypto services to their mainstream customers. All right, guys. So with that being said, let's take a look at Dogecoin in the house right now. So Dogecoin is absolutely on fire right now. Dogecoin is now up almost 6%, and right now it's trading above 23 cents. So I told you this was going to happen, and I said that this is a huge breakout that's going to happen. And remember, I talked about all those catalysts yesterday, and these are huge catalysts, and you can see that Dogecoin is breaking out exactly as I told you it would once these catalysts are happening. And I already told you that the net network value is so high because we have huge transactions, the speeds have come down, and things are looking pretty positive. So if this continues, we could even see ourselves going up as high as 25, 26 cents. Now remember, the rest of the market's still looking pretty red, but Dogecoin is making some moves, guys. So Dogecoin is going to impress you. Dogecoin is moving faster than the market right now, so Doge is looking pretty good. So let's take a look at Solana in the house right now. Sand. So you can still see Sand is going absolutely nuts right now. And right now it's trading at $5.53. So if you guys had aped into that, you guys would be making insane profits. And I did warn you, I did tell you that Sand is going to go to the moon. And they recently just have this tie up with Adidas. So this is really cool beans in the house. And Sand is going to get up to $20 easy, guys. You'll see Sand coming in at $20 pretty soon, guys. And I still don't think it's too late to ape into this. Not financial advice, but definitely Sand is one to be watching right now. So let's take a look at Shiba Inu very quickly in the house right now. So you can see Shiba Inu right now is still also not looking too good right now. Shiba Inu is still down 4.32%. Doge is coming back. Doge is comeback kid, and we still see that Doge is get your words right. Alien, get your words right. Alien. So we can see that Shiba Inu right now is finding some really good support about 43. But if we break down below that support level of 43, we are definitely going to be going down, down. And we can see ourselves going down as low as 33. So you guys have to keep an eye on that. If you bought at a higher price than where it is now, all you can do is dollar cost average, or you're just going to have to wait and hold. And remember, if you want to be successful, you need to look at longer time frames. Okay, month time frames, daily time frames, weekly time frames, hourly time frames. This is not going to work for you. If this is when you expect to get paid out or make money on a 1 hour or 1 day or 1 week basis, this is not how it works, guys. You guys have to learn to hold for a very long period of time. Let's take a look at the total market cap right now in the house. So the total market cap, let me just give this a quick minty refresh to make sure we got all the latest and greatest update for you guys. So hopefully you guys are having a great time out there. Don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe BYB in the house. And also, guys, if you're watching the live stream, don't forget to give a super chat in the house. Support the channel, support the OG, and support the alien. Support the alien. You need, you want it. And right now you can see the market cap is at 2.65 trillion. And the volume is still pretty good, 106.04 billion. And the Bitcoin dominance right now is at 40.78%. So that's okay, guys. And let's take a look at the coins in the house right now. So we can see right now that overall the coins are looking pretty good. We can see that Bitcoin is slightly down, but I think this is going to turn green once America wakes up. We're seeing that Ethereum is just starting to turn green. It's at $4,200. Bitcoin is at $57,295. We're seeing that BNB right now is at 1.53% up, so that's $582. Seeing that Solana is down again, and it's at 1.89, down 1.89%. It's at 215. We're seeing that ADA is also down again, just above 0.5%. It's at $1.80. And also too, we're seeing that DOT is down 1.2%, still below our psychological level of 40, so that's not good. Doge, guys, is coming back. It's up 5%, guys. So woohoo for the Doge. It's outperforming the markets right now, so that's really good. And it's at 23.4. I think we could go as high as 25 cents today. Avalanche is coming down a little bit. People are taking profits, so don't panic about that. Shiba Inu is down, down, and it's at 44. So right now you can see that Doge has flipped Avalanche and is looking more stronger and more healthier than Avalanche, so that's really good. CRO is going nuts, guys. It's still up 15.62%. I believe that CRO is going to hit $1 sooner than later, guys. You can see Uni's up, Matic is up, Algorand is up, guys. It's up 19% right now. We're seeing that Mana is up, gaming token. We're seeing that Axie Infinity is up, gaming metaverse token. We're seeing that Atom is up. We're seeing that Tron is up. So things are starting to pick up. I think this is the catalyst. This is a turnaround. Look at Sand, guys. Sand in the house. So Sand is pumping away. I mean, I haven't even looked at my portfolio to see how my Sand is doing. But just look at it here. We're up 38.75%. So it's looking really good in house, guys. So they're looking fantastical. Fantastical. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. So with that being said, guys, that's about it for me. Let's take a look at the... Let's take a look at Ethereum price in the house right now. So Ethereum right now, it's still having a hard time getting up to $4,200. It keeps butting its head against its resistance, but I think that we're going to see a huge turnaround in the next 24 hours. You're going to see things to start to pump just exactly as I told you. I told you it's going to happen, and it looks like Doge is starting to lead the pack. We're also seeing that Solana is collapsing. It's not looking too good, but I believe that tomorrow we're absolutely going to be seeing that the crypto is going to turn around. Look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin we have not seen a really nice candle. We had some really good support right here on this descending triangle. Exactly as my descending triangle came down, we went down to that and we bounced up, guys, and it's looking pretty good in the membrane, guys. So with that being said, guys, please go and follow me on my Twitter. We got 3,210 people following. Go down there, smash the like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to give a super chat in the house, guys, and don't forget to check out my merch. We got the love mug. Get the love mug. We got the backpackety backpack. We got the pillow willow, and also we got t-shirts, hats, and hoodies. Don't forget to check that out. And guys and gals, don't forget to check out all the video links. Become a Patreon member. Buy the channel a coffee. You're gonna love it. I love it. It's right there, guys. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to check out the Wi-Fi Wifey channel. Happy Wife, Happy Life. Go over there and subscribe. This is the OG in the house. God bless each and every one. Boom, Jackie Chan that. Guys, stop panicking. Things are going to turn around. You'll see tomorrow things are going to be uppity up. And, I think that we're going to see Bitcoin back up to 60,000. Dogecoin is pumping like crazy right now. So don't panic. You guys need to understand that if you want to be successful in crypto, you need to have longer time frames. Don't make the mistake that 99% of the people out there do, and they think that they're going to get short-term wins, and they invest on short-term time frames, guys. So this is not financial advice, of course. This is just me expressing my opinion. So God bless each and every one. I'll see you in the next one. Woo! Let's get it, guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it.